Vanergy Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, 2 inches 1-stick vacuum with digital motor, removable and rechargeable Lithium-Ion battery, super strong suction for home and car cleaning. Charge anywhere. Vanergy's removable, rechargeable lithium-ion battery can be charged either on or off the vacuum. And the overcharge protection design protects your battery for longer life. HEPA filtration system, designed to deep clean homes with pets. Whole machine filtration captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns and expels cleaner air than the air you breathe. Ultra-quiet design, made of sustainable material with such excellent properties: lightweight, heat insulation, sound absorbing, stable and feel good. Aside from general loudness, Vanergy vacuum cleaner operated at lower frequencies, which sound less annoying, giving you a quiet cleaning experience.